Hi everyone. This is going to be a short series of videos that explain how to get caught up. So this video is just going to show you how to navigate Canvas and explain where to find assignments. And then the next few videos will go through each assignment specifically to give you tips and tricks to be successful. So the first thing you're going to want to do is log on to Canvas. The app has been having problems. I would suggest using the website with Safari or Chrome if you can. When you go to my classroom page, make sure you are going to the home page. You'll see a screen like this. At the very top, I have some information about how eLearning is set up. You can access it through the modules as well, but you have to make sure you are doing everything in order. This project is a review of primary sources, but it is still kind of tricky, so I have everything set up for you to do in order to hopefully make it make more sense. So if you are trying to jump ahead on something and it says it's locked, that's because you haven't done the assignment before it. There will be weekly submissions for create or curate assignments. If you don't know what that is yet, that's okay. We'll get to that in another video. These will use a new tool that Canvas has released this year. So technically it is an external tool that you have to click a link on. So I'm sorry if that is confusing or it made you think you were on the wrong page. I didn't realize it was doing that to you guys because on the teacher version, it doesn't say that. So once you have read those, you'll scroll down. If you have not done work from these first 2 weeks, the 2 weeks before spring break, I want you to email me or Canvas message me and let's work out a way to replace those with something that's easier to do. What you're going to want to do is start on the day that you remember doing last. So if you last submitted something before spring break, you're going to start on April 14th. I know it's not April 14th right now, but that's okay. You're just going to start at the very beginning. If you are someone that has submitted a couple weeks of work, but maybe you fell off this week, that's okay. Just go to the last thing that you remember. And if you can't remember your last thing, email or Canvas message me, and I will be able to show you exactly where you left off. Okay? So this is how you're going to access all of your learning. If you are behind, you can ignore the check-ins. I like to hear from you guys. I try and respond to as many people as I can, but I also understand if you have a lot of other things to do. I'd rather you do things that are going to be directly related to your grade. Okay? So that is how to find your e-learning materials. In the next video, I'm going to show you some of the directions from the primary source project, and then we're going to talk about what are primary sources and the basics.